Hi guys, BT7 Next Adventure is finally here, and I got my first box of it. So let's do another unpacking. As usual, it comes with 112 different cards plus 8 promo cards that are adventure reboot based, while the set itself mainly focuses on Digimon Frontier and brings the hybrids to the English format that Japanese players, I think, hate because they are everywhere. And I honestly can see why. Let's turn it this way so I might not see the box topper. Oh, come on. And I got JP, which is nice because I love green and I'm pretty sure that he's a pretty good card. So that's already nice. Oh, then we have the box promotion pack that comes with alternative art designs from the promo memory boosts. Let's see. I would love the green one, but do I have so much luck? I don't. Oh, okay. The design is actually pretty non-foil in comparison to the others. But yeah, I don't care too much. I already have 2 of the original ones. So let's see what we got in the packs. It looks like we again only have this one booster design, which I don't even get. Like, why is Metal Greymon on the box when the set mainly is about Frontier? They really should leave Tai alone for one set, please. Okay, let's start. And we have Blue Hawaii Death. I hate Daipenmon. Then we have Bautmon, Antylamon, Korikakumon, Dino Memory Boost, Dorugamon, Ultra Turbulence, Starlight Velocity, Ancient Volcanomon. Oh, it's only uncommon. Okay. Aldamon. And Dino-Rexmon. Okay, it's a rare card. And then we... Oh, Kerubimon. Nice. Oh, we don't have these things anymore. That's also interesting. The second pack starts with Schwarzversatz, which is, as far as I know, the best board wipe in the game yet. I think even BT9, like the Japanese format, doesn't have a better one. So that's a nice pull. But like, it's a common card, so it's not that hard to get. Hakmon, again with the System on Noir censorship. Thank you, America. Saber Leomon. Gigastorm. Philmon. Ghostmon. Tidal Wave. Calling from the Darkness. Jet Sylphimon. Mugen. Ooh, Tommy. I think he's one of the most hated tamers in the game. Because he's pretty annoying. Like, as you can see, when you play him, you can trash 3 Digivolution cards from an opponent Digimon. Yeah, so it's pretty nasty. And we have Mr. Box Design Metal Greymon. They really need to chill with their Tai and Agumon fan service. Oh. Also, the tamers are back to rare cards. I think this hasn't been a thing since version 1.0, but my memory is crap, so might be wrong. Then we have Tuskmon, Karzemon, oh, Bokumon. He's like also a staple card for hybrid decks, because there's lots of memory gain from him. Shellmon, Wendigomon, Flame Memory Boost with, of course, Agumon, Thunder Laser, one of the best option cards for green in hybrid decks. Fire Drake Strike, Mametuamon. I hate this thing so much. Then we have Baby Koromon, Dorumon, and Koichi. And we have Kumamon, Bulkmon, Brave Metal, Icemon Scatter Mode, Monochromon, Monitamon, Brachiommon, oh, Sephiamon, Pride Memory Boost, Stephilmon, oh, Ancient Beetlemon. Am I imagining things, or do rare cards look different? Like, they are still shiny, but I think not as shiny as they used to be. Nah, it's okay, I'm imagining things. Okay. Really nice pull though. And Koichi. Kochi. Then we have Kendogarumon, Icemon, Gotsumon, with Pumpkinmon in the background. I'm gonna cry. Deadly Xmon, King Ramon, Grumblemon and his Golmon army, Triceramon, Dipenmon, Kapurimon, Burning Greymon, another Koichi, End of Funnymon. That's one of the 8 promo cards. Oh, look at that. This foil is pretty nice. And I like the design. And one last pack for this part. Oh, Löwemon. I love this design. He's like the only one out of the 10 warriors that actually looks like a warrior, with his spear thing and the ancient Sphinxmon shield. And look at him, he looks so fierce and, well, nice. As it should be for the Warrior of Darkness. Then we have Tortomon, Pulsemon, Toyagumon, Nemon, Gigasmon, oh, Horoklimon, Kaiser Leomon, both in the same pack. I love it. Similar to like Löwemon, I just really love this design. I mean, you can never go wrong with black and gold. Avenge Kidmon, Eosmon, oh, another ancient Beetlemon, and promo War Greymon. Okay, see you in the next part.